So today we're going to talk about how to make a slow motion video. Without any delay, let's jump to your mobile screen and open Capcut. Then tap on New Project and select your video. Tap on the video, go to the speed option, and select Normal. Move the speed slider down to around 0.5. Then you'll see an option below. Tap on it to enable smooth slow motion. Now, as you can see, your video is in slow motion. For more interesting videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in another brand new video.